For some reason, people say there was a shooting here.
Copy.
No. We called the squad 10 minutes ago, and I mean, they're still not here. Are you shitting me? I could have got him to the hospital myself.
Calm down. Now.
Here, medic's right there. Hey,
Here, I know the thing.
911, what's the address of your
Yeah, there's been a shooting. There's people bleeding. 6 Hilltonia Avenue. Get here now.
The video for today shows an incident where a man had called 911 to report one of his family members was having a medical emergency. The man felt it was taking too long for medics to respond to his house, so he dialed 911 a second time, and this time he stated that there was a shooting at his residence and that people were bleeding and needed emergency help. This is not the way to get medical help for a family member. That's all I have to say about that. With that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something. And I'll talk to you soon.
Camera on. Maybe. Eyes completely dead. Great.
43655 Hilltonia.
My batteries.
43.
what's going on, guys?
Unresponsive. He passed out on the stairs and started having a seizure.
Is he shot or is he is it medical?
No,
He's medical. He needs a medical. He is not unresponsive.
193. This isn't a 43. This is a medical. We just need a 24 for a seizure.
I don't know if he had a heart attack.
Copy. Do I have a sergeant that's your copy as well? Not a 43.
Pulse right now.
He has a pulse, but he's breathing very shallow, and he's not responding at all.
Who is he to you guys?
He's my grandfather.
What's his name?
Jack.
Okay.
Maddie, go inside.
Stop.
It's fine.
Seriously.
We got a medic coming. For some reason, people say there was a shooting here.
Copy.
No.
We called the squad 10 minutes ago, and I mean, they're still not here. Are you shitting me? I could have got him to the hospital myself.
Calm down. Now.
Here, medic's right there. Hey, open the road so this medic can come up.
Looks like he hit his face. Right there, his eye.
No, that's been there. He's had that. Scratch on his eyes, I think.
He was diabetic.
Any TD to channel.
Yeah, he's perfectly fine.
98.
Okay.